Hi, welcome back to EaseUS channel. Today, I'll show you a scary voice you should use in your gameplay when changing your voice in real time, trying to prank your friends, or put chills on the spine of your opponents. Alastor, known as the Radio Demon, is a charismatic villain from the animated show Has Been Hotel. He's got a 1920s radio announcer vibe, complete with a creepy, mischievous laugh and an unsettlingly smooth voice. People love him because he's both charming and terrifying, blending old-timey radio style with pure chaos.
I'll show you how to unleash the power of the Alastor voice with EaseUS VoiceWave.
Using EaseUS VoiceWave is simple. Just install, select, and speak. No complicated setup, no expensive gear needed. This voice-changing sorcery is easier than a dark spell. Let me guide you through the secrets of transforming your mortal voice into something truly wicked. Just a click, and voila.
Now, witness the power of the Alastor voice, perfect for terrifying your friends or dominating in-game voice chats. Hear that? My enemies quake in fear as my voice booms through their speakers. And yes, this works in real time with any game or chat app you choose.
But don't think it's all doom and gloom. The Alastor voice is also perfect for pranks, role-playing, or simply creating some chaos in your virtual world. Unlike casting dark spells, using EaseUS VoiceWave is simple. If somehow you want to modify the voice, start with volume, timbre, and pitch. If this is not enough, jump to Voice Laboratory and use all settings you can find there. Just don't be overwhelmed by the variety of settings you can adjust. Why settle for an ordinary voice when you can sound like a legend? Join the dark side of voice change with EaseUS VoiceWave.
Trust me, it's wickedly good.